In this video, I'll show you how to upload full Facebook profile picture without cropping. So ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, I'm going to head over to our Facebook, right? This is our Facebook account, right? So I'm going to click on my profile, right? I'm going to click on this edit profile, right? So I'm going to click on the edit, right? So let's say if I want to upload a picture, right? Without cropping this, I'll click on this. Upload a photo, right? I want to use this as for instance. Claims I want to post this, right? I'm going to click on the open. Okay, I'm going to find another one, right? I'll just come on here. Let me know if I'll select this. I'll find another one. Go to downloads, right? I'm going to scroll down. Let me say this one. Look for something that I can upload, right? Without cropping. Yeah. So right now you can see this our profile picture, right? And if you look right now, you can see this crop photo, right? So I don't want to click, I don't want to click on it, right? I'll just come on here, I'll adjust it, right? You can still increase it, right? Maybe you want your face to show like this, yeah. You can still increase it. So this is basically how you can upload full Facebook profile picture without cropping. If you found this video, appreciate us below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you in the very next video.